Welcome viewers. You are watching the virtual classes of UN Autonomous College of Science and Technology. I am Pratichi Das, lecturer in MCOM Finance and Control. In our last class, we have already discussed about the foreign exchange market and foreign exchange rate. How the foreign exchange market plays an important role in an international monetary transaction. So how foreign exchange rate is determined, who are the participants in the foreign exchange market, what are the demand and supply forces to determine the foreign exchange market or foreign exchange rate, and what are different types of foreign exchange market we have already discussed. So in today's topic we will discuss about foreign exchange risk. Foreign exchange risk is a part of the foreign exchange market. So what is risk? Risk is the unanticipated outcomes, what we cannot anticipate it, or what will come in future we don't know what will come in future, that is known as our risk. So in the situation of foreign exchange market, there is a term that is known as our foreign exchange risk. So risk arises due to different reasons, particularly the risk arises due to the fluctuations of exchange rate. So that is known as our foreign exchange risk. So let's start today's topic, that is foreign exchange risk. So what is foreign exchange risk? Foreign exchange risk is the risk of loss due to changes in the international value of national currency. Foreign exchange risk refers to the adverse effects that unanticipated exchange rate changes can have on the value of the firm. And foreign exchange risk is the risk that the value of a future receipt or obligation will change due to a change in foreign exchange rate. So foreign exchange risk is the risk of loss due to changes in international value of national currency. So all the national currencies are determined with the value of another nation's currency, and that is known as our foreign exchange rate. So when the foreign currencies are determined or foreign currency are exchanged with a domestic currency and different currencies are exchanged with the other currency, that may be chances of the fluctuations of the currency value, and that is known as our currency risk or exchange risk. Foreign exchange risk refers to the adverse effect on the value of the firm, or adverse effect on the value of the unanticipated effect on the value of the firm. So when the firm's values are affected unanticipatedly, that means when the currency rates fluctuated, that also affect the value of the firm, the present value of the firm or the future value of the firm, and that is also the firms who are involved in the transaction of different foreign currency, or who are involved in the international transaction, or who are involved in the international business. When the currency are going to be fluctuated, or when the currency appreciated or depreciated, that also affect the value of different multinational companies or domestic companies, and also the foreign parent companies, and that is known as our foreign exchange risk. Foreign exchange risk is the risk that the value of a future receipt or obligation will change due to a change in foreign exchange rate. Another definition of foreign exchange risk represents the value of a currency or value of the receipts are depend upon the value of a currency fluctuations, or the determination of currency fluctuation. When the currency fluctuations happen, different future receipts and future payments are also affected, and that is known as our foreign exchange risk. So what is exchange risks? Exchange risk originated from the random fluctuations of foreign exchange rates. Here we will discuss about the exchange risk. So what is exchange risk or exchange rate risk? the countries are involved with the exchanges of goods and services, and they are involved with the business of imports and exports. So when the imports and exports transactions are happened, the country deals with across the geographical boundary of it. So when the country deals with across the geographical boundary, then it needed different types of currencies for exchanging of goods and services with different countries. So when the currency fluctuations are happen, or when the currency is fluctuated due to the economical condition or due to different market condition, and the currency fluctuated due to some unanticipated reason, that is known as our exchange risk. That means exchange risk is otherwise known as our unanticipated changes or unanticipated fluctuations in the exchange rate through which the countries are deal with other countries' currency. The risk of an investment's value changing due to changes in currency exchange rates. So when the nations are involved with the exchanges of goods and services, they are also involved with the investment or foreign investment. So the value of the foreign investment depends upon the currency rate or the value of the different types of foreign currency and domestic currency. So the investment value also depend upon, or the investment value also affected with different fluctuations happen with the exchange rate. So when the exchange rate randomly fluctuated, the exchange risks arises, and that also affect the value of the investment deal with different foreign countries, and that is also known as our exchange risk. The risk that an investor will have to close out a long or short position in a foreign currency at a loss due to an adverse movement in exchange rate, and also known as currency risks or exchange rate risks. So investors are go with long positions and short positions according to the market condition or according to the market situation. The investors are go for long position when they want to purchase, and they go for the short position when they want to sell their holdings. So when the long and short positions are affected due to the random fluctuations of exchange rate, that is also known as our currency risks or exchange rate risks. The risk usually affects business that export and or import, and what also affect investors making international investments. So exchange risk also affects the export and import businesses, who the persons or the investors who are involved with export and import business, the currency exchange rate or the currency risks or exchange rate risks affect them, and the investors who are involved with different types of foreign investment, the exchange risks also affects them. The financial risk management is the practice of creating economic value in a firm by using financial instruments to manage exposure to risks. So the financial risk management is the practice. Where is the risk, there is also the chances of minimizing of risk, and that is known as our risk management. As we are deal with different financial instrument, and currency is a financial commodity that involved with the exchange market, and that plays an important media for exchanging goods and services with the country. So it is known as our financial market instrument, and the currency risk is otherwise known as our financial risk, and financial risk must be managed with different exposures, and that is known as our financial risk management process, which also arises due to exchange rate fluctuations. After the discussion of foreign exchange risk or exchange risk, we will discuss about foreign exchange exposure. So what is foreign exchange exposure? Foreign exchange exposure refers to the possibility that a firm will gain or lose due to changes in exchange rate. Foreign exchange exposure refers to the possibility that will happen, or the possibilities of different types of losses and gains due to the currency fluctuations or due to the random currency fluctuations. So currency exposure or foreign currency exposure is a process or anticipated situation or a possibility or a probability that will happen, or probability of gain or loss, or probability of profit or loss due to the different fluctuations of exchange rates in the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange exposure quantifies the sensitivity of the value of asset, liabilities and operating income with respect to exchange rate variation. So foreign exposure or foreign exposure quantifies different assets, different liabilities, which are the assets and liabilities values which are affected due to the currency fluctuations, and the value will be appreciated or value will be depreciated. What will be the assets value, what will be the liabilities value, that depend upon the fluctuations of the exchange rate, and that possibilities or that variabilities of assets and liabilities in future, that is otherwise known as our foreign exposure or foreign currency exposure. The foreign exchange exposure is a measure of the potential change in a firm's profitability, net cash flow and market value of net assets due to change in the exchange rate. So foreign exchange exposure measures the net value of the firm, the net assets of the firm, the different assets and liabilities of the firm, what will be the cash flow of the firm in future, and which are affected due to the fluctuations of exchange rate. The possibilities of that values of cash flows or net worth of the firm is the indicator of foreign exchange exposure. So there are different types of exposures. One is transaction exposure, another one is the translation exposure, another one is the economic exposure. So the foreign exchange exposures are normally three types. One is transaction exposure, translation exposure and economic exposure. So let's discuss about transaction exposure. Transaction exposure is concerned with how changes in exchange rates affect the home currency value of anticipated foreign currency denominated cash flows relating to transaction which have already been entered into. The risk that the cost of a transaction or the proceed from a transaction in terms of domestic currency may change due to change in the exchange rate. And when a firm or individual has a receivable or payable in a foreign currency, the foreign exchange rate may change, causing an increase in the liability of the home country's currency or a decrease in receipts in the home country's currency. Transaction exposure concerned with different anticipated cash flows who are denominated in the domestic currency with the foreign currency, as different countries are involved with the exchanges of goods and services across the geographical boundaries of the country or with the foreign countries. They are deal with different countries' currencies. So the transaction, when the transactions happen, that depend upon the determination of exchange rate. What is exchange rate? The exchange rate is the value which is converted with the currency of another country. So when the foreign currency or when the exchange rate fluctuated or exchange rate randomly fluctuated or exchange rate appreciated or depreciated, that affect the value of transaction. The value may be deal with future and the value may be deal in the present, and that depend upon the fluctuations of exchange rate, and the fluctuations of exchange rate affect the value of cash flows with the domestic country with the foreign countries, and that is known as our transaction exposure. When a firm or individuals are deal with the foreign countries, the value of foreign currency depend upon the exchange rate. So what the individuals or business firms are receives, or they will pay for the import and export business, that depends upon the determination of exchange rate. If exchange rate fluctuated, then that receipts or that denomination of domestic currency with the foreign currency, or denomination of foreign currency with the domestic currency will also affected, and that transaction exposure or that possibilities of increasing the value or decreasing of value of that particular transaction is known as our transaction exposure. Here we will discuss about the another exposure known as our translation exposure. So translation exposures are otherwise known as our accounting exposure, and it is a risk which results from the conversion of the value of a firm's foreign currency denominated asset and liabilities into a common currency value. So when a country's or a company's assets and liabilities are denominated from one currency to the another currency, and the anticipated value of that assets and liabilities will depend upon the exchange rate. When the asset and liabilities are denominated with the domestic currency and that are converted into the foreign currency, the value may be appreciated or the value may be depreciated, and that translation from one currency to the another currency, the value of assets and liabilities will be translated from one domestic currency to the another foreign currency, and that process is known as our translation exposure, as the risk will be arise due to the fluctuations of exchange rate or due to the appreciation and depreciation of the foreign currency. So there the translation exposure arises. The translation exposure arises as a result of the process of consolidation of foreign currency denominated items into group financial statements denominated in the currency of the parent company. So different parent companies are there who are dealing their business in the foreign countries, and they have the subsidiaries in the domestic country. So when they are making their financial statement or when they are preparing their financial statement, the subsidiaries anticipated financial statement should be converted into the foreign currency, and that consolidated or anticipated financial statement must be deal with the parent company's statement, and overall financial statement is sold by the parent company. So when the subsidiaries consolidated statement is translated to the parent's financial statement, that is converted from the domestic currency to the foreign currency, and there may be the chances of arising of risk and exposure, and that is known as our translation exposure. The gains or losses from exchange rate changes that occur as a result of converting financial statement from one currency to the another in order to consolidate them. So when the currency financial statement, when the company's financial statement are consolidated from one currency to the another currency, the gains and losses may be arises due to the fluctuations of exchange rate or due to the fluctuation or appreciation and depreciation of different types of foreign currency with which the country deals with, and that is known as our translation exposure. The another exposure is known as our economic exposure. The economic exposure relates to the possibility that the present value of future cash flows of a firm may change due to the foreign currency movements, and the risk that changes in exchange values might alter a firm's present value of future income streams. So after discussing about different types of exposure, the next exposure is our economic exposure, which relates to the possibility that the present value of future cash flows of a farm. So every farm have different values. In which country the farm is situated, the value of the farm depends upon the currency fluctuations of that particular country. So when currencies deals with, or domestic currencies or deal with foreign currencies, they are also appreciated or depreciated, or they are also fluctuated according to the different market condition or according to the economic value of the country. There are two types of values are there. One is present value, another one is the future value. Always the currency's present value is more than the future value of that particular currency. So the present value of a farm will be affected due to different types of currency fluctuations. So when the present value is affected as comparison to the future value of that particular company or particular financial statement, that is known as our economic exposure. And that present value of future cash flows of the farm are affected due to different types of foreign currency movements. The foreign currencies are moved due to different market condition or due to different economical growth of the country. So the present value statement affected the future value of that particular farm, and that is known as our economic exposure. Here we totally discussed about the foreign exchange risk. What are different types of foreign exchange risk and foreign exchange exposures? The foreign exchange exposures are normally three types. One is transaction exposure, translation exposure, and economic exposure. Keep watching. Thank you.